and welcome back to Caleb's Creative Designs. I am so excited about this month. I love the holidays, and this little guy is the inspiration of our winter wonderland. As you can see with all this wonderful stuff that's back here, that's what we're going to actually be using for our winter wonderland. So this little guy is the inspiration, and you can visit his YouTube channel in the description below. So what we're going to be creating today is this large wreath for our winter wonderland. So let's be creative. Well, that concludes our wreath making for today. Hope you had fun and you're being creative in your own home. We look forward to having our winter wonderland coming soon, and the inspiration behind it is this little guy, Zari, our grandson. So we are excited about our next video, and we hope that you'll stay tuned because we're going to show you a DIY of how to make a 25-foot ornament that lights up in the sky. So we look forward to seeing you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you soon, and again, let's be creative.